Hello, my name is Yasif Farook, and in this presentation, I'll be demonstrating my configuration for the Security in AWS section for our Cloud Security Assessment 3 project. So my implementation here focuses on the key security layers in AWS, including CloudTrail, KMS, S3 encryption, Event Bridge automation, and Guard Duty threat detection, which together establish a defense in depth environment. So throughout my process, I've documented all my steps with labeled figures, and I'll be referring to the various figures throughout my documentation for this recording. All right, so the first step was to create a customer managed KMS key with an alias finance security key. As shown in these figures here, this key is symmetric and configured to encrypt and decrypt log data. I also assigned myself as the administrator, key administrator, and added CloudTrail Service Principal as a key user. This ensures that all audit logs are written to S3, are encrypted at rest, and can only be accessed by authorized entities. So next, I configured an S3 bucket as the log storage location for CloudTrail. As shown in these figures, public access is completely blocked, versioning is enabled, and the bucket uses SSE KMS encryption with our KMS key. I also enabled object lock in governance mode for 1 year to make the logs immutable. These settings ensure log integrity meet APRA CPS 234 requirements for data protection. And this is also supported by Figure 9. Alright, so the third step was to create a CloudTrail trail named Finance Security Trail. These figures show that it applies to all AWS regions, captures management read and write events, data events for all S3 and Lambda functions, and enables insights for API error and core rates. Log file validation and KMS encryption were also activated, guaranteeing that every API action is recorded, encrypted, and verified for authenticity. Alright, so to automate alerts, I created an event bridge rule called Finance Risky Actions to SNS and an SNS topic named Finance Security Alerts. The event pattern shown in these figures below targets high risk API actions such as stop logging, delete trail, create user, and attach user policy. Yep. And when this is triggered, the event is routed to as SNS topic, which emails subscribed administrators. This is shown as I received an email upon triggering. This configuration forms a response component of the NIST cybersecurity framework. I then enabled Amazon Guard Duty for continuous threat detection. These figures show the Guard Duty dashboard in the Sydney region, confirming that the service is active with modules S3 protection, EKS protection, and malware protection for EC2 switched on. Guard Duty continuously analyzes CloudTrail events and VPC metadata to identify unauthorized access or reconnaissance activity. So to extend detection to stored data, I enabled Guard Duty malware protection for S3. As shown in these figures, the configuration links in the CloudTrail log bucket tag scan objects and creates a service role named Guard Duty S3 malware scan role. The status indicator shows the protection plan is active, ensuring that every new object uploaded to the bucket is automatically scanned for potential malware. Finally, I verified the configuration by uploading clean test files to the bucket. As shown in these figures, Guard Duty executed scans with no findings, confirming that the system is functioning in a clean environment. So this is the test file that I uploaded to trigger a scan. It was successfully uploaded, and this was the scan result. So although the malware scan didn't show up on Guard Duty findings, the S3 object tag displays malware scan status equals no threats found, which provides verifiable evidence of automated malware scanning. So in summary, the configuration combines visibility through CloudTrail, confidentiality and integrity through KMS, versioning and object lock, and automated detection and response through Event Bridge, SNS, Guard Duty, and S3 malware protection. Overall, this stack implements a practical defense in-depth model aligned with the NIST cybersecurity framework.